Most people think ChatGPT is just one simple app. You type a question and it answers. But that's not the full story. The model behind ChatGPT has evolved. It's now more than just a chatbot. Inside ChatGPT, OpenAI has integrated multiple models and capabilities. Depending on your task or subscription, it can deliver diverse functionalities. This distinction is crucial. If you don't recognize it, you miss the essence of ChatGPT. Let's break it down in simple terms. ChatGPT isn't the same as GPT. ChatGPT is the product. GPT is the family of models that powers it. GPT models understand context and reason through text and images. Think of ChatGPT as a car with powerful engines. In the near future, ChatGPT may feature different models depending on user needs. This flexibility is why it feels more advanced than a regular chatbot. OpenAI's overview highlights various uses of ChatGPT, like creativity, web search, images, and voice. These capabilities mean ChatGPT can assist with writing, summarizing, translating, and more. The acronym GPT stands for the model family name. As OpenAI updates its models, they release newer versions like GPT-5 and GPT-5.5. These advancements make ChatGPT dynamic and adaptable for complex tasks, not just a smarter autocomplete. So when asked, what is the real model behind ChatGPT, the answer varies. It's based on the version, plan, and task. ChatGPT is a multi-capable product, offering different foundational models for users. Now let's explore what these models can do. At its core, a GPT model understands language and generates responses. OpenAI emphasizes that its latest models can solve problems and manage professional tasks too. ChatGPT excels in language understanding, pattern recognition, and instruction following. Its advanced reasoning ability allows it to handle complex queries effectively. Think about how versatile ChatGPT can be. Need a paragraph rewritten? It can do that. Want a PDF summarized? It can handle that too. Need help with research? That's in its skill set as well. Next, let's discuss the experience. The model is just one part of ChatGPT. The overall system includes user tools like web search, voice functionality, and image capabilities. These elements enhance the product, making it more than just the model itself. You might wonder why newer models feel smarter. OpenAI's updates say that GPT-5 is adaptive. It knows when to respond quickly or when to think deeply. This means ChatGPT can tailor its approach based on the task at hand. Many believe that ChatGPT is simply trained on the internet, but that's not quite right. The model is designed to build capabilities, not just memorize information. It learns to generalize and adapt to various situations. User experience with ChatGPT can vary significantly. Free users might not access the same features as paid users. What you experience depends on your subscription and selected model. For a clearer understanding, think of 4 layers of ChatGPT. First, the GPT model family. Second, the ChatGPT product itself. Third, the tools that support the model. Fourth, the approach tailored to each task. The takeaway is straightforward. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It's a sophisticated intelligence system powered by GPT models and supported by numerous tools. That's how it has become more powerful than early versions. As you engage with ChatGPT, remember its layered structure. This depth is what makes ChatGPT a remarkable tool today. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT and its capabilities, explore the OpenAI resources. Dive into the future of intelligent assistants.